What gets me excited is seeing completion of a successful project. These projects cost a lot of money, and there's a lot of responsibility, and seeing them built properly, within budget, meeting all the necessary standards is exciting to me, and it provides a great deal of satisfaction. We here at GPI, we have all the capabilities in-house to do water and wastewater treatment design, including civil, mechanical, electrical, and SCADA systems. We also have a relatively large water treatment plant facility here in Northeast. So we pump water from Lake Erie to a water treatment plant. The water quality in Lake Erie is excellent.
We're at the Northeast Water Treatment Plant. This plant has a capacity of 7.5 million gallons per day. We pump water from Lake Erie up to this plant. There's an elevation difference of about 500 feet between the lake and the plant. This pipe behind me is the water coming from Lake Erie into the head end of the plant. The white silo is an activated carbon silo. We add activated carbon at the head end of the plant for taste and odor control. This is the rapid mix tank. In this tank we add chemicals to treat the water. The two chemicals we add are a coagulant so that the solids bind together, can settle out, and we also add pre-chlorine, again for taste and odor control. The next step is settling out the solids. So those solids are coagulated together so that they settle, and they settle out in these tanks prior to the filtration process. After the settling process, the water is filtered through sand and charcoal filters.
The treatment technology evolves all the time. It's driven by water quality standards established by EPA and the state, and those water quality standards are getting more and more stringent. I think there's going to be a need for water and wastewater facilities for many years to come.